higher to get short. So the dark pool kicks off here, and there's a very heavy short sell coming in. You see that? So from that heavy short sell coming business into the cash open, sell business into the cash open, and then of course at the cash open, you see we get this big drop phase down into the bottom edges, and the dark pool's done its job. It's ran the liquidity lows here, and you've made a lot of money on the dark pool side. As a thing happening here, do you see that happening? It's quite good, isn't it? It's quite a good because at 1 o'clock, of course, that's when the action really kicks off on the dark pools, right? And that's because the exchanges have got feck all liquidity available pre-market, right? So everybody's doing their business on the dark side rather than the lit side, right? So you get this dark pool activity. So can we tell what happened here? Well, it's kind of obvious what happened here. So there's 1 o'clock. It's kind of obvious what happened. So the market maker seems to have been accumulating through that phase there. Again, same type of thing, 12 o'clock through to the bottom edges. Then seems as if there's been quite a lot of dark pool activity before 1 o'clock on this occasion. But 1 o'clock kicks off, we get a dark pool candle on the buy side. You're probably going to look at that and say, well, it's a little bit late to the party, but probably a buy trade back into the same market maker's buy location pre-market. And you can see what happens after the market open. The market surges to the top side. You make a lot of money. And life is good, isn't it? Life is pretty good. So, I mean, we should just, it's about gaining clues, isn't it? I mean, obviously we've got the price of vols we can look at as well. We can see as another example here, we can see the dark pools here, very is because it's going nowhere. It looks bearish. I think we can agree it looks bearish. You know, and that would mean that the market maker had been accumulating perhaps through this little phase here. So you're thinking it's not brilliant, and it certainly doesn't look brilliant. It looks like that there's as much buying as there is selling on the first candle and the second candle. So I'm not reading that one as a solid storyline. So there's nothing really for me to be interested in at that stage. So it doesn't look to me as if there's a case to be long or short, and that's absolutely do dandy. But one of the things you can read, of course, is you can read for the cash open. So you can obviously read from 1 o'clock here, and you can take it to the cash open, and you can see the dark pool activity is the best levels for your pre-market to start with. So there's going to be an interesting level there, and there's going to be an interesting level there to start with. You see it? So obviously that opens the door to this sell trade potentially coming in here. It opens the door then to this possible sweep at the low price here coming in for a buy trade. Because these are all dark pools prints at this point, right? You don't see them in the volume print here. But there is hundreds of millions of dollars of dark pools going through these at this point, right? Between 1 o'clock and at 2:30. There's hundreds of millions. So it's not going to show on this chart because this is your futures market, but it is actually real trade and real cash business going through it. So don't give away the value of seeing the dark pools between 1 o'clock and 2:30 cash open.